this video, I will show how to replace the drum bearings of an LG washing machine. I have an LG washing machine, direct, drive, with a capacity of 5 kilos. Model WD12390NDK. It's a good washing machine, but it has started to have operational problems. It began to jump, and I need to determine why it is jumping, and if there are any culprits responsible for this. The bearings need to be checked for their condition, which requires disassembly. It is necessary to turn off the washing machine and open the door of the washing drum. Then, take one finger to hold the body of the washing machine and the other to hold the drum and try to move it up and down. Here you can see that the entire tub is floating. The drum has almost no play. We will do the same from the top. Everything seems fine. We turn it and check for any play in each position. The play is very small, about 1 millimeter, but to be completely sure, it is necessary to spin the drum and check how it behaves. We rotate it in any direction. A rumbling sound is heard. This indicates that the bearing has worn out and a rumble has appeared. It's almost like in a car hub bearing when it makes a humming noise.
In this machine, the bearings are not completely worn out yet. There is only a rumbling sound. But it's already unpleasant, so we will change the bearings.
First, we remove the jump receiver. We press the central button and remove the PU and SU fasteners.
To be continued. This is not the end. Stay tuned for more exciting developments and updates.
It is clear that the bearing is humming and has lost its properties. We will be removing them. We pry the seal and take it out of its place. It is clear that it has already lost its elasticity and water has gotten in here. Now it is necessary to knock out two bearings. We apply WD-40. And while we wait for the description, we place the rear cover on a wooden stand and begin to remove the bearing, starting with the inner one, then the outer one. For this, you can use either a small chisel, a tube, or a convenient spatula. It is even more convenient to use a single-sided chisel with a weight. It greatly enhances the striking force and is very convenient. To remove the inner bearing, we insert the chisel like this and start striking around the circle. Here the bearing did not come out. It has this appearance, rusty, and in general it is already seizing up, so it needs to be replaced. After that we turn the rear cover over to the other side, place it on supports, and we'll remove the outer bearing. It's much easier here because it's not as rusty, less moisture has gotten in, and I think everything will work out. The outer bearing is smaller. It looks better, but we will replace it too because it may start to hum soon. After that, we will clean the seating areas. For the bearings, with fine sandpaper to avoid any scoring on the seating area, which may have occurred while paying attention to the bearing. And after that, we will clean the drum shaft with fine sandpaper, especially the area where the seal will fit, to prevent water from entering. And it remains to thoroughly wash the dirt using a high pressure washer from the drum and from the inner part of the tank. When all parts of the drum and tank are perfectly clean, you can proceed with the replacement of the bearings and the seal. I recently made a purchase of a brand new set of high-quality bearings from the well-known brand Whirlpool, which have the specific modification number 62060625. In addition to that, I also bought this durable seal. It also has dimensions of 9.5 by 12 and a consistent grease in the syringe. To start, we will lubricate the bearing seat using the grease. It can be lithyl or graphite grease. These new bearings are from SKF, as indicated by the marking. Now it is necessary to press the bearings into place. Use a special spacer, king bearing to press in. For pressing, I will use a regular bearing puller that is used in cars. We place it. Here is the place, and we tighten the nut from the other side until the piston rod is fully seated in its place. We press in the second piston and lubricate the seating area. The outer bearing has a smaller diameter. After that, we will install this seal in its place. For this, I will use a regular gasket, sealant. We will thoroughly degrease the seating area of this seal using asphalt. And we will apply a small amount of sealant around the perimeter of the seal. And with the help of an old bearing, we will press the seal into place. Here is the seal in its place. We will wipe off the excess sealant around it. And we will start installing the drum in place. We apply a small amount of relative grease to the inner part of the seal, using a syringe. And smooth it out well to avoid any voids. And we install the drum in its place. We apply plumbing silicone to the gasket around the perimeter of the tank because it has already lost its elasticity. Wow.
Let's check how the drum rotates. The drum rotates without wobbling and without excessive drag.
The hose attached to the tank is carefully connected to the thermostat of the Vadim, ensuring a secure fit until it can no longer be moved. This connection is crucial for the proper functioning of the system, as the thermostat regulates the temperature effectively. Meanwhile, the heater. Contacts are meticulously fastened with sturdy clamps to the tank, ensuring they remain in place during operation. In the background, the girls are taking a well-deserved break, lounging comfortably and enjoying a moment of relaxation after their hard work.
We are installing the upper part of the engine in place. We install the bolt. First, we lubricate it with thread locker to prevent it from loosening.
Tighten the bolt while holding the drum to prevent it from rotating. We secure the harness at the front to the back.
Let's check the operation of the washing machine.
And so the washing machine works without problems. It doesn't hum and doesn't jump.